Tobisch with Whitefish Chiropractic. In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about Class 4 laser therapy, which I think is probably the coolest modality that we have here at the clinic. This thing is amazingly good at reducing pain and inflammation. So we use it for a wide variety of musculoskeletal conditions. Things like sprains, strains, disc injuries. We treat a lot of headache and migraine patients with the laser. We've been having some pretty amazing results treating neuropathy with the laser that we have here at the clinic. The way that the laser works to reduce pain and inflammation is a little bit complicated, but one thing that happens when we're treating patients with the Class 4 laser is this is going to stimulate the production and secretion of our natural endogenous opioids. So it's going to make us feel better, reduce our painful symptoms. The way that the laser works to reduce inflammation, I oftentimes use an analogy or a comparison to photosynthesis. So to give you a little refresher, photosynthesis is basically the ability of a plant to convert energy from the sun into energy and oxygen for the plant itself. Our cells have a photo word also. It's not photosynthesis, it's photobiomodulation, which basically means if we can get the variables of the light going through the laser correct, the area that we're treating, the laser is going to stimulate those cells to convert energy from the laser itself into usable energy inside of the body in the form of ATP, which is basically the molecular form of energy that our body uses. So if we can feed energy into the area that we're treating, give the body more energy, that's going to help us get through an inflammatory cycle pretty rapidly. Then we consecutively continue to treat patients with the laser, and now we rapidly get through an inflammatory situation. Now we give the body more energy to actually heal up the tissues that are injured and producing our pain in the first place. Alright guys, next up I'm going to show you a brief application of Class 4 laser therapy so you can see what that looks like. First things first, if we're using the laser, we're going to put on our cool glasses to protect our eyes. Next up, we're just going to take the probe that shines the laser out of the end of it, and we're going to start to apply it to the area of pain. So we'll take the laser slowly over the area that our patient is experiencing pain, and the laser never gets hot. It's just going to be basically a soothing warmth. So the machine beeps, you start to feel soothing warmth in the area that we're treating. Typically, treatment takes about 10 minutes. After a patient's treated with Class 4 laser therapy, they're going to notice a pretty significant reduction in their painful symptoms, and they're also going to have an improvement in range of motion.